無限大の地図広げ果てしないあの場所へ Let's sing on 高く頬を上げて風に乗れ
Hi everyone! Today, we're going to discuss and explore 14 essential laboratory apparatus commonly used in scientific experiments. These tools play a vital role in ensuring accurate and efficient results in the laboratory. Each piece has its own specific function, and understanding how to use them properly is important for any successful experiment. So let's get started and dive into the world of lab apparatus.
Microscope. A microscope is a common laboratory instrument used to observe items that are too small to see with the human eye. A light microscope examines a small object by using lights and a set of magnifying lenses. An electron microscope uses electrons to magnify an image.
A test tube. A test tube is a lab vessel often used to carry and mix liquid chemicals. A test tube is shaped like a finger and has one open end. There are many various sizes of test tube, but the common size is 18 by 150 mm.
Watch glass. A watch glass is a common kind of chemical lab tool. It is a concave piece of glass that's often used to store solids, evaporate liquids, and heat tiny amounts of a substance.
Crucible. The crucible is a tiny container generally constructed of porcelain. Some laboratory glassware is unsuitable for heating because it may get damaged or break. A crucible is a tiny container generally constructed of porcelain. It is also included a cover that is designed to keep smoke particles inside.
Volumetric flask. Volumetric flasks are another popular part of chemistry laboratory equipment. It is a form of glassware calibrated to retain certain amounts of liquid at specific temperatures. It is used in chemistry to make standard solutions and accurate dilutions. This flask comes in several sizes, and the capacity is generally specified depending on how many solutions you want to make. You may use a 50 ml, 125 ml, 250 ml, 500 ml or 1000 ml volumetric flask.
Beakers. Similar to test tubes, beakers are used to heat, mix, and store different types of materials. Beakers are cylindrical containers without rounded bottoms and have a spout and a flat base. They are also available in several sizes.
Bunsen burner. This device is used for sterilizing and heating things. Natural gas or liquefied petroleum gas such as methane could be utilized.
A spatula. A laboratory spatula is similar to a kitchen spatula, except it is considerably smaller. Spatulas are tiny handheld instruments for scooping and transferring solids. They can also be used to apply paste-like treatments. Most spatulas are used with various chemicals, typically resistant to heat and acid.
Magnifying glass. This specific piece of lab equipment creates a magnified image of an object. It is a convex lens covered with a handle-equipped frame.
Spring balance. A spring balance is also known as a Newton meter. The tension of a spring on the scale is used to calculate the object's weight. On one side, there is a spring, and on the other, there is a hook.
Dropper. A dropper is also known as pasture pipe. It is a small glass or plastic pipe with a rubber tip on one end. Its purpose is to give little volumes of liquids and one drop at a time.
And next is measuring cylinder. This typical laboratory instrument is used to determine the volume of a liquid. It is calibrated with each marker indicating the quantity of chemical use. This glassware is cylindrical and narrow as the name indicates.
Thermometer. We all have used thermometers at home, so we are all familiar with them. Laboratory thermometers are almost identical in that they measure the temperature of substances instead of body temperature and have a high level of accuracy. Burette. A basic piece of chemical laboratory equipment used to dispense volumes of material. It is often used in teratations. The stopcock is located at the bottom of the long braided tube. The burettes are 50 ml, 25 ml, and 10 ml. To wrap up, we've covered 15 essential laboratory apparatus and their uses. These tools are key to ensuring safe and accurate experiments. Thank you for listening, and I hope you found this helpful.